ninth graders, this is Ms. Stapp, and I'm creating a video to clarify some information I sent out via messages. You can see the message in front of you on the screen. I'm also going to answer some questions that I received from students via email. And thank you very much for those questions. I'll continue to make videos like this and so that I can share the answers with the whole class. Because if you have a question, probably other people in your class have the same question. Thank you again. Let's see. You can see my latest message came out on Wednesday after you had an opportunity to look at your assignments that were posted. And I already had questions about Zoom. We will have weekly meetings via Zoom. You don't have to register for Zoom. You might consider downloading the app to your device because it does make it a lot easier to check into those meetings. I will send you an invitation with the URL as well as the passcode to get into the meeting on Monday. But after that, we're going to have a little trial. You see that I've posted that we will have a meeting on Monday anytime between 2 and 3. You log on, it'll just take a few minutes. I want you to make sure that you can log on and use the functions, that I can see you, and I'd also like you to show me your book. Now, this is going to be a session with the whole class, all 60 of us, and we'll see how that goes, but you should be able to see some of your friends, and that'll be fun. All right, the next question I had was about the summative revision. As you can see, I have posted that on the 25th. Revisions will be typically on Wednesdays going forward, and then I will grade them over the next week, and you will receive your grade the following Wednesday. So I've updated this revision information a little bit, reminding you that the revision you do cannot be the same as your summative. You have to choose from one of the other formatives for the summative revision. I would like for you to turn in at least the first page of the original summative, and you can do that via ManageBac. Just take a picture and turn that into a URL, save it, not as URL, as a PDF, and upload that to ManageBac. I know some people have downloaded scanner apps, and you can certainly do that as well. It makes it a little easier to save it as a PDF. Everything that you post on ManageBac needs to be a PDF. One of the questions I received from your classmate is, can you use Google Doc? And yes, I would highly encourage you using Google Docs because it's easy to go on and change and update your information and your writing from Google Docs. Then all you need to do is save it as a PDF, and you can do that. I will send you a link where you can see how to do that, or I will post it on the message board. That's very easy to do under, I think it's under History, and then you turn it into a PDF, save it, and then you can upload it from there. Everything on ManageBac needs to be a PDF. So I can't stress that strongly. Anyway. I hope you're doing well. Please let me know about the questions that you have going forward, and I will continue to share this information with the whole class. I'll talk to you later.